Hi everybody, this is Olivia from Alexandrienne, and today we are going to draw a bee, a cute, simple bee that will just take minutes to do. First, you want to draw a rounded oval for the head, and then an oval for the body, like so. And now this is going to be a cute bee, a whimsical bee, and almost everything on this bee, at least its basic shape, it's made out of circles or ovals, so it is very easy to do. And you see how the head is rounder and the body is a little more oval, but you can make the body round as well. Instead of drawing the entire wing as an oval, I'm drawing it with a little slice out of it so you can see how it would fit onto the body. And now, to show that it's in flight, if your bee is in flight, you can add a swirl. That little swirl just indicates the path of the bee, and you can do it in a straight line, dotted line, broken line. And now, let's go on to the face. You want to just draw a couple little dots for eyes, and a little oval for a nose, and a smile. And at the very top of the head, in front, you want to make some antenna, and you can make those in any shape that you like, and then stripes for the body. And that's really all the parts that there are to this bee. So let's go ahead and draw a bee. Here we have, well, this is a little bit more of a circle, and now we'll draw the body, the oval, because that is behind the head, and then lastly we will draw the wings, which can be ovals or circles. They both look really good. And you want to try to keep your facial features either on or below that middle line. That is something that makes whatever you're drawing look cuter and look more youthful. So then we add a little smile. I'm making a little crooked smile just because I think they're cute, but any kind of smile is fine. And the same for the antenna. You can make them any way you like. I usually make swirls, or I'll make a line with little dashes across the top. And then you want to go ahead and add some stripes. The bee's looking pretty good. It's looking just about finished. Sometimes I will go in and I will add a few little lines on the wings just to add interest, and it also helps it to make it look like it's coming from behind. But if you are painting it, you can do the same thing with a darker color than what your wings are. Okay, so this is your basic bee. That's it. And that only took us a couple of minutes to do. But now let's talk about a few other things. I'm going to make a bee that is still a frontal view like the one you see above, but is going at an angle. That adds interest as well. Plus, it's just a different way to draw pretty much the same bee. You draw your circle or oval for the head, but this time on the body, you want to make it not the perfect oval, but more like what I'm drawing now. Kind of a slanted oval, if there is such a name. Now we want to go ahead and add some wings, making these a little more rounded than the ones above. And I'm doing this to show you that you can use circles, ovals, and a variety of combinations to create a different appearance. And on this one, I'm also adding little feet just for fun. And remember the horizontal and vertical lines. You want to stay below the center line. Draw a little nose, a few little dots for eyes, and a nice little smile. Or you can do like a little teardrop for a mouth. Those look cute as well. And now add some stripes. And I'm making these just a little bit more narrow than the other one. There. And on his wings, I'm making polka dots. With these little whimsical creatures, you can put any kind of pattern or not, and it looks really good. See, he looks cute with little dots on his wings. And now we're going to want to make that swirl to show that he's in flight. And see, he's just kind of whipping up and around. And as I mentioned before, you can do it in dots or broken lines. I wouldn't actually make the bee like the swirl like this. I'm just putting that down to show you the variety that you can use. And that's it. One cute little bee. And I would like to thank Lori Dobson for helping to make this possible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.